We are a group of 7 people starting our journey towards the Goecha Peak viewpoint from Shiliguri's Darjeeling Moor via a shared jeep. We had to take the alternate route via Karshiang and Darjeeling rather than the original one via Kalimpong due to recent landslide. It added about 35 kilometers more to our journey. Goecha Peak, at a height of approximately 20,102 feet, is situated on the southwest of Goechala. La means high mountain pass. Yuksum has a simple life. Small plantation, prayer flags, and sacred monasteries. While exploring Yuksum, remember its major architectural variety is influenced by Vajrayana, the thunderbolt vehicle of Buddhism. Guru Padmasambhava, or locally known as Rinpoche, is a very revered person. This prayer hall has 18 oversized prayer wheels distributed within 2 rows. Each of the wheels seems made of embossed, part gilded copper. They are heavy. Turning them is more of a workout than meditation. Locally, these are called mani halls, and the wheel is khorlo. Kathak Utsal Monastery, situated a little uphill from Yuksum. Kathak refers to the erstwhile Lama Kathak Kuntu Zangpo. This is a small temple mimicking what seemed to me like the Kunzum Mata goddess temple in Kunzumla, Himachal Pradesh. This is situated on the middle of the road entering Yuksum. Kathak Lake was used during the coronation ceremony of the first king of Sikkim. The lake is regarded as Latso, the soul lake of erstwhile Lama Kathak Kunsu Sangpo. Yuksum in Tibetan means the meeting place of 3 learned monks or 3 lamas. People here believe these lamas crowned the first king or Chogyal of Sikkim back here in the mid-17th century, guided by the 5 great treasures of snow, or known to us as Mount Kanchenjunga. Sikkim is the 22nd state of independent India, annexed to it in the year 1975. The former kingdom of Sikkim was ruled by the Namgyal dynasty for a long 333 years. The ethnic diversity of Sikkim is mind-boggling. It is represented by Lo Mun Song Sun, tracking origin of three major inhabiting races since 17th century. Lower Bhutias, it means south. They are the people whose ancestors came from southern Tibet. Their language is Drenjongke or Sikkimese, similar to the Tibetan one. Mon are Lepchas, and Song are Limbus, another tribe of Sikkim. Although the present population of Sikkim is a mix of Nepalis, Lepcha, Bhutias, Limbus, and Plainsmen. Locally, a river is called Chu. We are within the Rathong River Valley, or should I say Rathong Chu Valley. We are going to reach Sachen campsite today. It is a small clearing in forest, marked by a wooden shelter and a forest kitchen. Our campsite is 5-minute walking distance from the hut. Sachen may have been named after Sachen Ningpo, although I am not sure. Sachen Ningpo was born in 1092.